rides home, the guitar's lone cry, a desert canvas where lost dreams lie. 10 years I've watched the western sky, Summerlin's hum as starlight dies. But bloom it does in hues I chase, beneath the stars in this empty space. Familiar glows, a silent sweep, secrets the hushed pages keep. I thought I knew the air's soft sigh, but truth arrived too vast to deny. Chill 1925, when diamond skies made spirits thrive. The city's pulse, a neon stream, my lens, a watcher of the gleam of odd lights. Trace them slow and deep across the night, secrets to keep, a familiar disc, a shimmering arc finding its place within my heart. It dimmed, grew faint, a fading gleam, a whispered thought, waking dream. But then a shift, a sudden stage, tearing the script from my lonely page. From ink so deep, a sudden thread, a second form. I can't forget a lightning strike, a searing might against that fading alien light. The world I knew, it cracked and broke. My camera caught it, what it spoke. Scar that struck the unknown near and far. No earthly craft, no human hand, just blazing fury across the land. A silent burst, then nothing more than shattered light upon the floor. The improbable, a whispered name, the unbelievable, a consuming flame. My lens held fast, a frozen frame. The silence fell, a heavy shroud, where thunder roared. Now not a cloud, just ionized air, a lingering haze, lost in the wonder, stunned by days. Was it a weapon, a cosmic fight, or something born of purest light? The textbooks tremble, the theories spray, what my pure lens brought out to play. No mirage this, no trick of sight, but stark new truth in darkest night. western sky, it watches still upon this solitary hill. My captured truth, a burning brand held in the lens, within my hand. The impossible now seen and known, the unbelievable on me bestow. The guitar fades, the sins remain, a whispered echo of the alien rain. Not a mirage, no fading dream, but a captured moment, a cosmic gleam.